Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Elkins and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about Dapper Day, something that if you know me personally, I love it a lot. It is an event where you go to Disneyland and dress your finest, basically. So I'll put some pictures of my last Dapper Days up here. This event is twice a year, and the spring event is the weekend of April 23rd, which is in less than 3 weeks. So for the next 2 weeks, I will have 2 more videos coming up about the Dapper Day events, and then I will have a vlog ready after Dapper Day events. So without further ado, let me tell you how to make the most of your Dapper Day experience. The first tip I have is to get MaxPass. MaxPass is the new digital version of FastPass that you can get on the Disneyland app. It also includes all your PhotoPass and ride photos. Insert embarrassing ride photos here. MaxPass is only $10 a day and it is definitely worth it, especially for the PhotoPass ride photos you get after each ride and after you go to a PhotoPass consultant. So this tip kind of ties into another one. Get to the park early. Getting to the park early has so many benefits. You get to go when Disneyland is not as crowded as it will be in the afternoon, and you get to go on all the rides you want. You get to get photos when the park is empty, so that could be awesome to your day. It's worth getting up early, I promise. Alright, next tip. Take photos and videos, especially if they're themed to your outfit. For example, if you have a Star Wars themed outfit, go to the Star Wars launch bay. Or if you have a pink and purple outfit like Rapunzel, go meet her at the meet and greet. Here's another tip. The more the merrier. I know personally, I work well on my own, but for Dapper Day, nothing is better than being with your friends and family. When you have a squad to pose with on the rides, you feel unstoppable, believe me. This tip is really helpful for the ladies. Make sure to practice your hair and makeup before Dapper Day. It will help you work out all of the bugs in your routine, and it will just help you learn what's best for you. In fact, my next video in the Dapper Day series is going to be me doing a makeup test on camera. I hope it goes well. Next tips, stay hydrated and stay comfortable. Now I know I have not been the best preacher of the second tip. When she loved me. I know, I've worn heels a lot. I've changed, trust me. And in terms of staying hydrated, just leave water in your locker or get a cup of water at the restaurants. Next tip, compliment others. Especially during Dapper Day, people put so much work into their outfits, and a kind word can make it all worth it. The last tip is have fun. Don't let all the stressful parts of your day ruin the fun parts, and remember, whatever happens, you're beautiful and you deserve the world. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click subscribe, like, and comment a tip that I didn't mention. Have a magical day, my friends. Bye-bye!